we're gonna be playing Don't Break the Ice. So here's the instructions on the back. So magical hands. So Sophia, would you want magical hands to give you the whole set of this Don't Break the Ice?
Yes. Can magical hands, my friend, help me bring?
Yes.
Okay, we got it.
Oh my gosh. So we gotta balance this. So it's like, so what we do here, I think, is that we had to pit like the boxes. So rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I am the best, the master. Rock, paper. Okay, my turn. I'm not good. Okay, I get you.
My turn.
Okay, that fell. Okay, I'm not excited. You're going. She's not good at this. No, you're not allowed to do two. Oh my. You're supposed to do. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is pretty hard. I am not excited. Okay.
Really fun.
Okay. Wait. Why are you always doing that? I'm gonna do this. Oh no. This is hard. Oh my god. Okay. This is gonna be a bad game. It's my turn. No.
Okay.
Ow!
Yeah.
Wait, Sophia. I think we need to restart because we haven't been actually doing it right. But let's just play. This is like a practice round. But let's just keep on.
Turn.
You're breaking the hole. Sophia, it's not your turn. Okay. You lost! Oh, headshot! This row was the winning row. So we gotta attach them.
Yay!
Sophia, stop!
I know what you do.
I'm not doing it right. Flip it over, so yeet!
What do you do?
I have no idea. Okay, so we are building this? Oh, now I get it. So I get it now. I get you. Hey, Sophia, we're going to put the penguin in the middle. The penguin goes in the middle, right there. Oh. So, the penguin goes. Hey. You're ready to go. Okay, can I do? You can play some music with mine too, and while I fix the book. Oh my gosh.
Guess what I sang? Guess what I did? No. Where?
Oh! Bump. Like the default dance. Dang it. Oh my gosh.
Guess what I say? Go.
Oh my gosh, you're a master at this.
Wow.
You see what I'm doing to myself?
I know what you're doing. Oh, there you are.
Can I try?
Wait.
Okay,
I got going.
rock, paper, scissors.
No, now.
Hey. No.
No.
No. Okay, fine. What do you think my sister's gonna do? What do you think? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh no. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh no, what? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey, you suck.
No, I didn't. I remember.
Okay, let's try once more.
You did scissors.
No, I didn't.
Sister, you did. I look. Sophia, seriously, I want paper.
Okay.
Please, I want.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hey!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey, I did it! Okay, let's try the middle. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm the master. Okay. You have to go like somewhere else. This is getting really boring. Okay, so I'm gonna go like... I'm not that excited. Oh my god. Stop! Okay. Oh wow. A lot of... Okay, I'm not that... Oh, it's my turn. What's gonna happen next? Azelle makes it? Yes. Does Sophia make it or Cats take over the world? Oh my gosh, this is getting pretty hard. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not that excited. Oh my gosh. I don't know if my sister's gonna make it or Cats take over the world. Okay. You are gonna lose. Watch. What the corner? Ding. Oh my gosh. I have a great plan. I have a great plan. Yep. I have a great plan.
You need to tell me.
No. Why would I? Stop. So. Oh no. Look.
I have a secret for all of you.
I am
Okay.
I heard your secret.
Okay. I thought you not hear.
I didn't actually hear. I heard like whisper. No, this is bad.
Just hammer it like this.
Stop! No! It didn't jump all the way!
Yeah, it did. Look.
No!
Yeah, it did.
That means I have to do this whole thing.
Oh my god, I did this.
You're making Cats take over the world. Yep, it's done. Seriously?
I don't want to take that one.
Okay.
You have to take that one out.
Huh?
You have to take that one out since you brought it up.
So we'll end the video right now. So the loser has to get sprayed with water in the face. So.
Okay.
Just kidding. So if you like this video, like, I was gonna do 1 for 5. Magic.
I think it's a 5.
This is a 5. So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit the bell notification. Hit that like button, hit the bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you. Bye.